Nelson Chamisa finally spoke on Job Sikhala's arrest and pleaded with the international community to come to his rescue since he has been sick in prison. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to comment and share with the video. Fambi. Nelson Chamisa, since the open letter, he was accused of leaving Job Sikhala to rot in jail. Many people are actually saying he's busy posting, God is in it, but he is not acting. So he actually wrote on his Twitter account, I am deeply concerned about the fact that Honorable Job Sikhala is seriously ill in Chikurubi, in particularly the fact that he has blood in his stools is a very serious condition which requires urgent and expert medical attention, which is denied to him at present. This would be bad enough if he was a convicted criminal, but he is an opposition political member and respected lawyer who has been denied bail and a fair trial since June last year. The oppressors have callously disregarded our pleas in the past. So I now call on the international community, particularly leaders within SADC, to express concern and to call for his immediate release to obtain specialized medical attention. When icons like Nelson Mandela were held unjustly, the world spoke against the brutal apartheid regime's unjust treatment of him. This situation requires the same to be done urgently. For our part, will continue to do all in our power to secure his release from detention. So indo post yanyorwa na Nelson Chamisa achiti iye is pleading with the international community. So many people were discouraged and they were not happy about the turn of events. Varikuti Ivo, you as a leader, you cannot just write and wait for someone to do it on your behalf. You should do something. Kumeka sure kuti Job Sikhala abuda. By the end of the day, people are actually believing the fact that Job Sikhala said they were actually leaving him to rot in jail. So guys, Job Sikhala finally had to see his doctor, who went in achiva anomucheka, and they said that his right foot is painful and is experiencing a sharp burning sensation. So now they require a colonoscopy yekuti vanoona mukati kuti what is the cause of internal bleeding. Many sources and many journalists are actually saying that it might be poisoning, but kuti chi, we don't know. But the doctor actually says it's BP yakakwira. Maybe inenge ichitori stress prison and BP inogona kukonzeresa zvinhu zvakadai. So even if he got a visit from the doctor, he still needs to go out and receive proper medical attention. Kana zvichinge zvabvira vagokwanisawo zvakare kumupa at least a trial and bail. In other news, mbingas dzese dziri busy showing off on social media. Please get ready because ZEC, Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, are actually after all the mbingas that are busy flashing their wealth on social media. They want to recover 1 billion, and they are also making sure that if you are a mbinga, you are going to bring to them invoice nezvese zvaunoratidza kuti ndo kwaunoshanda uku ndo kune source of wealth yako. Kana uchiita mamwe madhiri asinganzwisisiki, you might lose your wealth. Saka kana zvigona vana seWicknell nevamwe vakadaro munogona kungotanga kurova lolo. Please musarambe muchiita zvakanyanya because vanhu vanogona kuzongofanana mumastreets takubata mushikashika takananga kumbari. Zim, a Chinese-owned company, they want to replace the Birchnough bridge. They want to build a better bridge with 10 million. They say they've set aside 10 million for that project. I wonder why they actually want to remove the Birchnough bridge or to replace it. Kune nzvimbo dzakawanda that need bridges, or actually something else that they can give back to the community. Kwatinotangireiko kugadzira mabridge when we have people that are dying in hospitals, women that are failing to give birth zvakanaka muma institutions. Why would we worry ourselves with a bridge? Nekuti izvezvi vanhu vari kungokrosa save neBirchnough. Is there need for them to replace? So the biggest lithium producer, Bikita Minerals, which is owned by Sino Mine, they said they want to do vari kuti bridge rakavakwa 1935, so now toda kukupai bridge rama-2000. Nekuziva kwatinoita ma-2000 guys, zvinogona kungodonha vanhu vachifamba pamusoro. At least this Birchnough mineral company should actually do something for Birchnough, build maybe a mega city for Birchnough or something else instead of replacing Birchnough. Rakatinakira Birchnough, takakura naro, raiva pamari yedu yaidadisa zvakadaro. There is no need for that. But anyway, ndo news dzedu dzatinadzo this morning, Naika.